What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your sidebar on TickTick. Now, the sidebar you have right here, you have a bunch of these different features that you can basically enable and disable, as well as on this left sidebar where you have these different options, you can choose what you want to see and not see. So let me show you how you can find them so you can easily customize them. So click the profile in the upper left, go into the settings. From here, you want to go down to where it shows features. Features are what you have on this immediate left sidebar here. So you can turn off or on any one of those features. As you can see, I am turning off a bunch of them, right? Some of them you can't turn off, such as a search and so forth, but that's pretty much it. You can enable calendar, habit tracker, Pomodoro, and even countdown, right? You can see that you have these options right here. Now, for this section here, you can easily turn on what you need. As you can see, there's a section called Smart List, and this is a Smart List. And so you can show what you want. So for example, all, it's currently in hide. I can basically show it. And as you can see, it appears at the top. So it's showing everything, right? So whatever you want to show or hide, you just need to click there and show them or hide them. For example, this is the trash. I want to keep it, but I'm going to show you I want to hide the trash. You can see it disappear. I want to hide complete, it disappear. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and customize your sidebar in TickTick. Very easy and very simple.